In this video, I'm going to show you typecasting in C#. We can do the typecasting in two ways. One is the implicit and another one is the explicit. First of all, let's understand what is typecasting. Typecasting means converting from one data type into another data type. In the previous video, we have discussed about the different data types in C#, and to convert from one data type to another data type, we can convert the data type by our effort, or data type can be converted one into another by itself also. So if data type can be converted from one into another by itself, then it is known as the implicit typecasting. And if we have to convert from one data type to another data type by ourselves, then that is known as the explicit typecasting. So we need to convert from one data type to another data type during the development of this software. In many reasons, we need to convert from one data type to another data type. So we have already discussed about the many more data type, and let's take some data type example like character, float, character, integer, long, float, double, long double. So many data types are over there, and let's take an example of some of these data types. So we can convert the character into int, into long, into float, into double. This is the implicit typecasting. We do not need to anything about this. And if you want to convert from the reverse side, that is double to float or float to long or long to int or into character, then in this case this conversion need explicit typecasting. So this is the implicit typecasting. This is implicit typecasting. We don't need to do anything. Let's take an example how implicit typecasting work. If I take one variable character, and if I represent character C2 or whatever name you can give, and if I put this into A, okay, I'm giving the character C2 is equals to A, and if I console.writeLine C2, okay, if I print this, I have to copy this all available code into one notepad, and I will provide this file in the video description. So just paste it here and just save this code. Okay, so I'll provide this code in the video description. So now you can see how, and I have to delete all of this above code because we don't need all this code. I have to delete this code up to here. This also I would like to delete this code now. Okay, let's see from here, and if I run this code, what will happen? Without debugging, it will print the character A in the console. So it will take some time to print out this code. So now you can see this is my output A, and if I have to convert from this character to int, what I have to do? Int I is equals to, if I put C2, what does it mean? So if the character A value is assigned into the C2 variable, and the value of C2 variable is again assigned into I, and I would like to print the another value, that is I, and if I run this, what will happen? Now you can see A and 65. What does 65 means? This is the value of ASCII value. So the A is the, if we convert the character A into the ASCII value, that is 65, and if I write here B, that means it is 66. All symbol and small capital alphabets all have their ASCII value, and we can write the ASCII value from here. This is the implicit. This is the example of implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting. And let's take an example of explicit typecasting. Example of explicit typecasting. So let's take one variable name, that is double. If I put D is equals to, I can give whatever value, and if I want to convert this value, int I2 is equals to D, and console.writeLine, and if I put the value of D here, it already shows there is error, and it says that cannot convert double into int. In this case, we have to convert the explicit. So how we can convert this value to explicit conversion? Just type int inside the bracket, and it means that we are converting this D value into the integer, and we are assigning that integer value into I2, and we are printing that I2 value. So just we need to print out here we have to print here I2. Okay, and if I run this code, what will happen? You can see 52 only. In integer value, it doesn't contain the floating points value, so it removes this value and it only print the 52. In this way, you can convert the implicit type conversion where you don't have to do anything, and this is the explicit conversion where you must have to. Explicit conversion, it means that we have to make the method to convert value from one data type into another data type. So I'm converting this double into int, and you can take an example and you can practice by your own by converting into the character into int, long into float into double. You don't need to do anything, it's just convert by the compiler itself. And if you want to convert from the double to float, or float to long, or long to int, or into character, then you have to use the explicit method. And where whatever be the data type, you can just give the name of that data type and inside the bracket, and you can just put whatever data type you want to convert. You can convert in this way. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll discuss later topics in another video. Thank you.